Hi everyone, I want to say welcome to Spirit Week. This is going to be our second Spirit Week of the year. We try to have one Spirit Week each 9 weeks. So why should you participate in Spirit Week? Well, one reason is to learn more about your classmates. This is a fun way to get to know some different things about your classmates that you may not know or you may not be able to find out just in a regular class. So this is a fun way to share and get to know each other. The second thing is everyone hopefully will want to show their school spirit. We are proud of a lot of things that we do here at TOPS, and hopefully you are proud as well to be a part of TOPS. So Spirit Week is a way that you can show that you are proud to be a part of our TOPS family. The third thing is you can earn bonus points, and we will talk a little bit more about those bonus points. All right, how to earn bonus points by participating in Spirit Week. All right, first you need to participate in Spirit Week, and each day that you participate correctly, you will earn 1 spirit point, or 1 wolf buck, we call it, since we are the wolves. You're going to keep track of your spirit days, and when you reach 5, you can trade those into a participating teacher and get 5 bonus points for that. So the way it works is once you earn 5 bonus points, which can be in 1 week. If you participate every day during Spirit Week, you get 5 points that week, and you can trade that in for 5 bonus points. If you did 2 days during the first 9 weeks, and you do 3 days this 9 weeks, that still totals 5, and you can still get 5 bonus points for that. So once you have 5, 5's the magic number, you can ask your homeroom teacher for a secret password, a passcode we call it. And you're going to give that passcode to any teacher. I think pretty much all the teachers will let you use your passcode for spirit points or wolf bucks in their class. Now they may tell you what you can use it on. In my class, I pretty much let you use it on anything except for midterm and final exam. But once you have your passcode, simply email your teacher and say, what am I allowed to use my spirit points on? And once they tell you, it's that simple. You get 5 points added to whatever you want to have that added to. All right, so what are we looking at this time for Spirit Week? For the first day, we are going to have Scramble Day. Oops, hold on a second. All right, so Scramble Day. Scramble Day means you're going to find common household items and spell out a kind, encouraging word to share with your class. Show me how creative you are. So this is going to be something that you can just go around your house, find some items, think of a positive, encouraging word, take a picture of it, and upload it for a spirit point. Day 2 is Cartoon Day. Students will relive their childhood and draw or sketch their favorite childhood cartoon. All right, you don't have to be great at art, just give it your best try. Okay, this must be original. This must be something that you draw yourself and submit. So have fun with Cartoon Day. Day 3 is Global Day. Students will pick a country that they would like to visit. You're going to look up things about that country. Okay, since we are on travel restrictions and nobody can really go anywhere right now, we're just going to dream about places we want to go. So find a place that you would like to go. If money's no object, if travel restrictions are not there, if you could go anywhere you want without any restrictions, where would you go? So you're going to give me your thoughts and ideas. Make sure you don't copy and paste something. Make sure you write this. And you need to have about 4 to 5 sentences about some place that you would like to visit. Also, if you want to include a picture, you can. And again, more details are in homeroom about this. All right, day 4, Mythology Day is what we're calling it. For this Spirit Day, you're going to write about your favorite mythical creature. Okay, make sure that this is your thoughts and ideas, again, not something that you've copied and pasted. Okay, when I was younger, I loved unicorns. Unicorn has to be my favorite mythical creature. So, anyways, tell me what your favorite mythical creature is and write about it. Or if you want to write a myth and share that with the class, you may do so. Day 5 is Day of Thanks. Thanksgiving is fast approaching, and we're simply going to make a list of things that we're going to be thankful for. Okay, so you need to upload a list of at least 10 things that you are thankful for. Some of you may have a lot more. Feel free to share as many as you want, but to earn credit for this spirit point, you have to have at least 10 things. Okay? All right. Well, I hope everyone has a wonderful spirit week. And looking ahead, this will be our last full week before Thanksgiving. So have a great day. Enjoy Spirit Week.